Hey, I'm Sheldon with TigerTough. We've been making seat covers since 1993, so we're well versed in making the interiors of your vehicles not look like they've hosted a raccoon family reunion after a few years in service. That's been with seat covers. Now we're soft launching floor liners. These things are precision fit for every single vehicle, and you can see they're super flexible and guaranteed not to curl. We do that a few different ways. One way is that these are injection molded versus vacuum molded, which means that they're in their relaxed state right now. A vacuum molded product is stressed into this shape, and then it wants to relax once it gets hot again when your vehicle heats up in the summertime. Another thing we do is we stop the floor liner right here at the threshold. That means that you don't have a thin piece of rubber or plastic out over there that will eventually curl up over time. My two favorite things though, they come with a lifetime warranty. That's my second favorite thing. My first favorite thing, completely made in the United States. Get you some.